Hi, I'm Amber Burtless, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a volunteer sign up in SignUp Genius. Before you can do anything, make sure you have a SignUp Genius account. Then you're going to log into your account. Over here next to my profile, I'm going to click Create a Sign Up. I'm going to be making a volunteer sign up for a class. So this is my class reader sign up. I'm going to name my group just my classroom. You can name it anything you want. Then it's for volunteering and education. And then I need to choose a template. I'm going to scroll down and look at this information. Here I could type and add more if I wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it how it is. And I'm going to save and continue. I like to sort by date. So I'm going to add the dates, add reoccurring dates. Click my start date, put in my times. These times are going to show up in each of my time slots, and I want them to be the same each day. And I want to put in every weekday since that's when I'm going to have people signing up. Then I need an end date. This will be when the sign up will stop. Here I can put a location, or I can use a map to locate it as well. Add slots. So my slot is going to be for a class reader. And I only want one on each date. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to scroll down and click Save and Continue. I keep these at required, so I have that information. I leave the comment at optional. I allow people to swap with each other if they need to. Before saving and publishing, I want to look at what it looks like. Scroll down and see my slots are there and they're ready for people to sign up. Then I'm going to click Publish. I'll copy the link, and then that's what I'll send to parents to sign up. This has been Amber Burtless from Winthrop University showing you how to make a volunteer sign up in SignUp Genius.